All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We started the midday hour with a tornado. One of the funnels actually made its way down to the ground. And this in Foster County again, midday hour. It's been a lot of time since then. Some rotating thunderstorms spun out of this area. Those moved through the Grand Forks region, now are moving up through Roseau County. Still showing some signs of rotation up there. A lot of thunder and lightning. A line moving into the central Red River Valley, including the FM area right now. This trails off south. And for our viewers down here in Ransom County, some spinning thunderstorms. And another round for you out in our western counties in the James River Valley. Let's take you on a little radar tour. First and foremost, a few of these are showing hail markers, but nothing is expected to be too sizable, generally a ½ inch or less at most. One cell just skirted the northern metro area across the Red River, Georgetown to Oakport, seeing some heavy showers. This is exiting off to the east, slow moving, only 15 miles per hour, so a good garden soaker out of that one. This line here has a better chance of hitting the FM area. This batch moving along Interstate 94 is moving due east, and it's covering much of Cass County, so some much needed water and moisture on the way. A few of these storms showing signs of rotation. Our storm chaser Eric Whitehill is out and about and keeping us updated with what's going on along this line. From time to time we have seen some signs of rotation with these storms. Now the first 15 minutes forecast to be in this area in red. Then as we see the fuchsia, it's a fun color to say, Horus, on outwards of about a ½ hour. The storms will be near you by 5:30. Moorhead on the order of 5:42. And those storms slow enough moving where we should get some decent moisture out of them. Here, a velocity inside the clouds. Reds, motion away from the radar in Mayville, North Dakota. Greens, motion towards. So very, very weak rotation in a couple of spots along the line. That's why our team is continuing to monitor. Earlier, we had some over Fort Ransom showing some tight signs of rotation. This is moving towards Lisbon. We got to keep our eyes on that because there was a funnel sighted from those cells as they move south and east. Notice how weak they are. Again, large hail, not a factor. There's Stutsman County, southwest corner, and particularly the Lemoore County area will see a chance for some showers as we go through the next hour to 3 hours. One of the stronger cells just now exiting out of Roseau County had shown some signs of sizable hail. When we see the bright blue, maybe ½ to ¾ inch diameter. You're looking live, and we do see the rain shaft coming out of the base of the thunderstorm to the southwest of the metro area. And this is the rain line that is going to make its way into town here, hopefully, because we could use the moisture in the upcoming hour. 65, rain out at the airport, 10-mile-per-hour winds out of the north. Moorhead reporting 79 degrees, so that cool burp of air has hit Fargo, but not quite Moorhead. 82, Gwinner, 10 degrees cooler in Langdon. And where the showers are moving through Roseau County, it is 73. So tonight, hit and miss weather. How long does it last? Let's set your hour-by-hour forecast in motion. Storms in the Northern Valley will continue to exit. By 8 o'clock, things should be pretty quiet up there while this line continues to pass through the Southern Valley. And then as we go from 8 to 10, it all but diminishes. Temperatures will fall through the 60s and into the very refreshing 50s overnight. Tomorrow looks very quiet for the majority of the day. We'll see temperatures rising, but only to 70s for most areas. A few lower 80s in the Southern Valley. As we go through the late evening hour, we could have isolated thunderstorms there. Your planner, 58 for the day tomorrow. Temperatures rising to 80 degrees in the afternoon. Your sunset, 9:13. Your hometown forecast, 70s up north, particularly cool in the northern reaches of Minnesota with some lower 70s for you, lower 80s in the Southern Valley. Here's a standalone lonely thunderstorm that Tiffany captured down there near Comstock. Here's your planning forecast. After a quiet Thursday, Friday brings a severe chance and hot weather back to the valley again. Beyond that, a whole lot of 70s in the forecast, including some Saturday storms and again, some midweek storms next week.
A little cooler, but you know, that's not a bad thing.
That's not a bad thing.
The 70s, that is.
That's right.
Yeah, thanks.
Yes.